Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the username of your YouTube account. So let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open YouTube application on your device. Once you open the application, you will find your profile option right at the bottom. Tap on it. Once you tap on that, then you need to tap on View Channel. So once you tap on that, here you will find the pencil icon right here. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on that, just under your name, you will find the handle option, which is your YouTube username. So you need to tap on the pencil icon and you need to erase the old one. Once you erase the old one, you need to type in the new one. Once you type in the new one, and as you can see, it is available. There is a green tick mark. That means that this username is available. All you need to do is to tap on save and the username will be changed, as you can see here. So guys, this is all it takes to change the username on YouTube. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.